think that this devil even can stop your twin flame to happen. So there is support. This is the sticky soup. You have to like understand. It makes me really think like my grandma was from Karelia, and this is I'm so old that my Karelia grandma was in the Second World War. But her favorite soup was the dead soup, and she wanted to give us this dead soup, and I was like, oh my god, Granny! Like there was all kind of like a things from the cow, that when the cow was slaughtered, there was everything in that soup. It was really like a witchy soup. There was like all kind of joints and tongue and I don't know if it was in the eyeball, but like it was totally this kind of witchy soup that I had to eat as a child. And somehow this is, you have to look what is in the soup. You really have to look what you've been fed.